Hello everyone and welcome again to our next lesson. So ang lesson natin for today or for this time is on papaano po mag-set or mag-change ng name ng ating website. Naka-indicate po kasi sa inyo, sorry na-change ko na to. Papaano siya naging Kathleen's Shop and meron siyang USP na sa inyo hanggang ngayon nakalagay is my blog and then nakalagay is another WordPress site, right? So, by this time, let's go to settings. We will change that, guys. Settings and then general. So here, you need to change your site title with your name. Guys, I'm encouraging you to change your site title with your name kasi kailangan naming malaman. At the end of this seminar, we need to check your websites. So, Kathleen's Shop with me. And then, Simple and Cute Shop. This one, guys, dahil ang inyong website, ang nakalagay is yung aming email pa rin, please change it with your email, okay? And then, after that, i-click nyo si membership. Next is save the changes. Kapag na-save nyo si changes, ang inyong email ay magkaka-receive ng notification from this website. Ito yung mukha ng notification, WordPress. So, dito, yung link na itong mahaba na ito, i-click nyo yan. Pag na-click nyo yan, automatically, magiging bago na yung email ng inyong website. So, why do we encourage na kailangan yung palitan yung email nyo? Kasi sa mga plugins na i-activate natin mamaya, they will go directly to your main email. So, napaka-importante ng main email or administration email ng isang website. Sila yung nakaka-receive ng mga warnings, sila yung nakaka-receive ng mga orders, notifications. So, you have to place or you have to use an email address na hindi nyo kakalimutan yung address and yung password, guys. So, iyon lang naman din. So, yep. Nung pinalitan nyo na yung name, save nyo na, magpapalit na rin ang name na try natin. Let's say, Avantgarde Shop. And then I click save. Right? And then, I'm sorry. This one. From Kathleen's Shop to, look at that, Avantgarde Shop. So, ganun lang kasimple ang magpalit ng title ng website and ng kanyang tagline. So, that's it for this video and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.